Avinash, and today welcome to our channel Crazy Experiments. And today we have a FamPay card. It's a teenager's card under age of 11 to 17 years old. And see, I have received the debit card. I had ordered before 1 week, and let's unbox. And let's unbox it. And let's open. We have got this from IDFC Bank. Let's pull. Come to the fam. Here is the card. Here is the activation code. Let's see what's inside the box. There's nothing is there, empty box. And let's see the card. Yes. See, it's like a normal debit card, prepaid one, rupee one. See, here is the name, the swipe one, the IDFC Bank. And it's a good card, very good card, and comes with this type of cover. And see, yes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video.